Tool palettes can provide a more visual and intuitive way to access commands and to maintain Office standards. To use a tool from a palette, you first click the tab to choose the set of tools you want to use. Then there are several different methods you can use to work with the tools. In the case of a block, you can simply click the block. For example, click Door Imperial. The program prompts you to specify the insertion point of the block, and you can simply click to place the door block in the drawing. In addition to simply clicking the tool, you can use drag and drop. Click and drag the Door Imperial block in the palette and drop it into the drawing. Release the left mouse button to place the block. Hatch patterns can also be applied using either of these methods. Right-click below the palette tabs and choose Hatches and Fills to switch to that palette. Then scroll down to ISO Hatches and select the Steel pattern. The program prompts you to specify the insertion point. When you move the cursor inside the closed rectangular boundary, you see a preview of the hatch. Once you click inside the boundary, the program applies the hatch pattern. Undo that, and then use drag and drop to drag the hatch pattern from the palette and drop it into the closed boundary. When you release the left mouse button, the hatch pattern is added to the drawing. The drag and drop method is faster because it requires fewer clicks and picks.